me, it's like my neighbor's house is burning, and yes, I need to help. It's the first of two tours. I will go back and bring the rest in December. And right now we are 2 vans, and they're both full of clothes and furniture. And I have to say that I'm again very lucky with my team in Düsseldorf. They are great lawyers, great assistant, so that I can spend 3 days, 4 days, 5 days away from the office and doing this. So you need some support at home, and that's my team in the firm. We have offices in many European countries. And I'm in one of the German offices, and the biggest office is in London, where also our team taking care of charity and other projects helping people. I just think that's necessary, and the help that international organizations have done so far is also a lot, but I know that some destinations are simply not reached by these international organizations. The Germans, like the Polish people, they have understood that this is necessary. We need to help the refugees. Germany is a rich country, and we can do a lot. Very hospitable, very friendly. You can see, because most Ukrainians I have known is this year, and they all been under a lot of stress because of the war. Many Ukrainians have very good sense of humor. They don't take themselves not so seriously. I like that a lot. On the 24th, the invasion started, and I watched the television like everybody else. And on the 26th, I had enough, and I got up from my sofa and said, I will do what many Polish people were doing at the time. They went with their cars with some things to help. They went to the border and came back bringing refugees to a safe place from the border. And I said, I'm going to do that. I want to do that as well. And I started organizing my first trip. And also on the first trip in early March, the relationship with Voices of Children started.
Hi Ben, welcome to Kyiv, to Ukraine.
Thank you. And then I want to organize these aid runs with the people who want to drive, with the people who want to just give a car maybe, and the people who just want to give some donations. There are some methods to keep you awake, coffee and chewing gum, and if you're too tired you just have to drive to the side and sleep or find a hotel and then keep driving. Most of the things I bring is from a storage place in Düsseldorf, which was built for people who need clothes, refugees, and the storage place has to be dissolved, so it has to be torn down, and they needed to find a new place. Some medical supplies and some other things. It's the biggest humanitarian crisis in Europe since the Second World War, so I think many more people would need to do what I'm doing.